This video is to show you how to have your students take the performance task using Microsoft Word. So in the email that I've sent you, there is a link to a document that has been created just for your class. What you are going to do is click and drag and highlight the link. You're going to make a copy by either right-clicking and copying or by pressing Control and C. You're going to take this document and add it into a new page. So your page, you're going to title it Narrative Performance Task. And this is located inside the content library of your OneNote class notebook. Click anywhere below narrative where you put the title, and you're going to paste it by hitting Control V or just right-clicking and pasting. Now, as long as it is has the blue lines and it's underlined, it's ready to go. Now, for your students, when they are ready to take the performance task, they're going to come to your content library, open up the page for Narrative Performance Task, and they'll click on the link. The link is going to take them to your version of the performance task. My internet is a little slow, so, oh, there we go. When it opens up, they are going to have to click on Edit Document, and they'll choose Edit in Word Online. This will allow them to make changes. Now, this next step is very, very important. You need to make sure that your students complete the next step before they start typing inside the performance task. Otherwise, it's going to change everybody's version of the performance task. When they open up to edit, they need to immediately go to File. They're going to click on Save As. This is going to allow them to create their own personal copy of this document. This window will pop open. You're going to click on Save As, and they are going to title their copy, whatever they want to copy, their name. So they'll put their name and Narrative Performance Task. Oops, excuse me. And then they're going to click Save. They do not want to replace the existing file. If they replace the existing file, then everybody's file will be titled their name, Narrative Task. So I'm going to click Save. Oh, I've already named it that one. Let's try. Oops. This is Bobby's. Oops. Bobby's Narrative Performance Task. So they're going to save it, and once it saves, they can now go in and make the changes, and it's not going to affect anyone else's. So that is a very, very important step that they have to make. They need to make sure that they save as and make their own copy of the document so that they're not causing changes to the original. Now, once they've done their work and they've typed their answers and they've gone through and gotten everything in there, they're going to need to share the document with you. In order to prevent your Shared With Me folder from getting too crowded, the best way for them to do this, they're going to click on the Share box, and rather than inviting you to share in the document, they're just going to click Get a Link. Now, so that you can add comments, you want them to create an edit link. Once they have created the edit link, they're going to copy it. Since it's already highlighted blue, I'm not going to click on it. I'm just going to use Control C. Then I will close this. Now they will go to their notebook, Pretend we're in our writing section. And here, I cannot spell Bobby today. Bobby narrative task. And they're going to Control V to paste it. Now, often when they paste it into their notebook, it may not be a link. It may, let's see, it may look like this. Well, it may end up being just dark, just regular letters. If it's not blue and underlined, it's not a link. So in order to turn it into a link, the students are going to highlight it, then they will right click. They need to have the mouse in order to turn it into a link. Then one of the options will be link. Mine has edit the link, and they will just paste the exact same thing that they just pasted here. They'll just Control V again right into the address bar and hit OK, and then it will be a link. Then once it's inside their writing folder, you will be able to click on it and see anything that they have done. Now, please remember the most important thing is the students have to save as. If they don't save as and create their own copy, they will be making changes to your original copy and it will cause problems. If that does happen, just let me know and we'll be able to fix it. So thank you for taking on the challenge of having your students do the performance task on the Chromebooks. Enjoy!